Here's a quick example is how I integrate Notebook into a grade 9 class when I'm trying to help students identify a linear versus nonlinear relation when given a graph or an algebraic equation. As I mentioned, this is for a grade 9 class, and this would be in the unit of linear relations. So here's a quick slide that has students drag a linear, what I like to call stamp, over all the linear equations, and students have to grab and drag this nonlinear stamp over the nonlinear equations. And all I've done is pre-created several graphs, created a box with some text around it, and infinitely cloned it. In similar way, I've created, using the same graphs, their equations. And now I've infinitely coded the equations, and I can have the students drag and drop all the nonlinears by the nonlinear cart and all the linears by the linear cart. And the nice thing about this one, and I'm going to show you how I make use of another feature of Notebook to help students understand the difference between linears and nonlinears. And so what I'm going to do is a couple things you could do actually, is you can use the magic pen and draw a rectangle. And what this will do is create a magnifier, so now you can help focus students' attention on those groups of equations. And we can do the same of these ones and have students try to identify what the differences or similarities and differences. If they make a mention to exponents, using the same tool, the magic pen, you can create a spotlight and kind of hover over the exponents to help focus students' attention as to the differences between these equations and the others. And one final thing you can do is actually overlay them, right, to show that the exponents are the same, whereas these ones are different. So those are some quick ways of using Notebook 10 to help students identify the difference between linear and nonlinear relations.